ఇది మనం చూసింది లేదు మన ఫ్యామిలీలో. టుడే వీఆర్ మీటింగ్. హలో మై సిస్టర్, அக்கா, கடவுள் என் அனுப்பியிருக்காரு உன்னை பார்த்துட்டு வர சொல்லி. ப்ளீஸ் ஃபர்கிவ் அஸ் வாட் எவர் வி டூ அகெயின்ஸ்ட் யூ. எல்லாமே நிறைய சண்டை போட்டுக்கிறோம், உங்க கூட போட்டுக்கிட்டு தான் இருக்கோம். எங்கள் புத்தியை மாற்ற முடியாது, தம்பி அப்படி தான். பட் ஸ்டில் ஃபாதர் லவ்ஸ் யூ, லவ்ஸ் அஸ். We need to straighten out our families, learn some politeness. Enna kutti? We need to be polite like them. See, he was living in a big house, but now you are reduced to a small cage, crying out loud for liberation, which will come to them very soon.
Oh, she's looking now.
They listen when you speak about God, no? Because it doesn't have any language. When you say a message from his father, he listens intently. And he knows that I have been sent by the father to assure his love for him. Humans being mattumna. Evlo nalla paagudu pattiya? Hey, God loves you. He sent me. I am his messenger, prophet, telling you he cares for you. He knows what you're undergoing. Yeah, look at that, how nicely he looks at me.
Yeah, now she seems to listen.
Yeah, see? I bless you. I bless you, dear. You are going to be all right. You're going to be all right. See? 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 Oh my Jesus. See, he's coming to thank me, coming down and show me the back side. You want to see me? See at the back side. Everything காட்டுது பார். அந்த ஆக்ஷன் பார். சாப்பிட்றதும் காட்டுது. Maybe he's inviting us. Come, have a bite. They've got their own language. They understand what we talk, but we don't understand what they talk. That is the difference between us and them.
But when you visit every day, they become friends. I've seen some videos.
They do. They
Even
do.
further, the kangaroo come and hugging you. The kids when they go, they come running. You know,
Yeah.
like the birds coming running and
Unbelievable.
it needs hugging.
మన గోర్లురా మన కొండలో ఉండేప్పుడు ఒక పేరు పడతాం కదా, వదిలి అంటే పరుగుతా వస్తుంది. అది మన పక్కలో కూర్చుంటుంది, పనుకుంటుంది, ట్రస్ట్ యూ అని చెప్పమా. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ గేవ్ ఎ లాంగ్ రెవల్యూషన్ ఫర్ అస్. ఆ బర్డ్స్ ఈజీగా రావు. ఇప్పుడు సీ ఎస్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ